cross-examination there, Matthew. What was the defense trying to highlight there?
Well, really, they were trying to get down to the bottom of, how serious was this incident? How well they identified him? How well they were able to observe, able to see, and able to get to the merits of essentially what is it that they were able to accomplish in seeing what they saw there.
But here's the question, right? Markeith Lloyd has been wanting to tell his story consistently. He hasn't been happy with his defense counsel. Even there was I don't want to call it an outburst yesterday, but he did speak outside the presence of the jury and saying, I think he actually referred to Deborah Clayton as queen, and he was referring to her husband, I think, and said, I would never have done this to your queen. I tried to turn myself in multiple times. This never should have happened. I get the sense he's going to jump on the stand again. Even though we're talking about insanity, he is going to try to take the stand and say, I'm not sure that it wasn't his intent to do this. Do you get that feeling as well?
Yeah, I mean, knowing what we know about this defendant, he's spoken out once before. He's spoken out in court, as you mentioned yesterday. Certainly likes to speak for his own behalf, even when it's in his worst interest. Taking the stand, waiving the Fifth Amendment right, it's going to leave him susceptible to cross-examination, substantial cross-examination, and it may really hinder his defense for insanity. It may hinder his defense for possible self-defense. So it may hurt him if he does, but yeah, you're right. He may take it.
All right. Well, we'll wait for that moment to come. We're still hearing the prosecution building up their case. Monica Pridgen